Bam. The late adopter. Hi guys, how you doing? Welcome back to the channel, to the new video. Right now we're doing Uniswap. Uniswap is down -9%, so it looks bad, like, but then everything looks bad, right? A lot of coins are double digits red. That said, we're gonna start with looking at the weekly chart because I want to tell you how good this actually looks. I know we look bad today, but this is actually very good. That said, let's get in the chart and see what am I talking about. Why is this guy saying that we are looking good? Well, first of all, look at this 20 moving average. It's the 10 moving average, the white line. It's super nice. Like over here, you can see here we start pumping on the 10 moving average, pumped really hard, and now we blew off, right? We went too extended, and then we went into the consolidation. So this consolidation is coming to the end, and you can already see here on these two candles that the wick blew off of this all-time high candle close, right? So we want actually to close on the weekly above 34 to be super bullish, super nice. Super exciting. It's not a lot. It's only gonna take like 12% up. Now it's down 9%, so 12% is nothing. You know, it can happen in a couple of hours and you are up like 12% above this line on the weekly. And if on the Monday we close above 34, we are super bullish. That said, we are sitting on this 10 moving average. That's one of the first thing you have to do, because sitting on the 10 moving average on the weekly charts lowers the risk for investors to invest. Nobody wants to invest up here when you are at this much extended from the moving average. Then you come, then the sell-off comes, the sell walls get brought up, right? Put on the exchanges, and then the price goes sideways. It's starting hitting this. You can see nicely how it was hitting this 10 moving average and following with the wicks here, wick there, like it was following really nicely. These two dumps over here because, you know, Bitcoin, but it is following the 10 moving average, hugging it really nice, and it's ready to blow. We're waiting for this close above 34 on the weekly to actually confirm it. If it doesn't have to do that, it can do that next week, but it's looking very nice. So let's look at some indicators down here. We cannot see much on the MACD, but on the this rubber band indicator, this is what we reason why we are going sideways, because we hit this at 92. So this candle over here hit 92, and then we watch that. You have to think about it as a rubber band, right? You extend really hard and then it pulls back, right? So when this rubber band pulled back to the 70 levels, we could again go a little bit up, but even then what happens, we get some kind of RSI divergence, and then it continues going sideways to pull this indicator all the way down to the 60 levels, which is now sitting at very nice levels for further move up. So this on the weekly chart where the actual investors and people with money actually are trading. They don't trade 1 hour charts, they trade weekly charts. They are looking at the same thing that we are looking at now, and they are thinking, it might be a good thing to buy. So then they don't really care to buy a 30 or 32 or 31 or even 28 or maybe in 24. They know that this area up here, that's the accumulation area for them. They're buying, they are waiting, and because once they start going up, all of these are going to be in profit. But they have time. They are not like you and me, that's like, oh, 2 minutes later it goes down, 5 minutes later it goes up. You know, they don't care. They are comfortable waiting. They go to the beach, they go to party, they don't care. Like, and then every Monday they come into the office and say, what's up with the Uniswap, you know? And it's up, it's down. I'm gonna buy more or less. It's gonna stay. Let's wait next week. And then I go do other things for the rest of the week. And the next Monday I come back to the office. What's happening on the Uniswap? Yeah, price is nice. Okay, let's buy some more. You know, that's how investors are doing things. That said, weekly looks very nice. Let's move on away from the weekly and go into daily and see what's actually happening on daily. Right now Bitcoin is falling at 3.86%, pulling everything down, and you can see this candle over here breaking this very nice support. Support 50 moving average, this yellow support, it's breaking it. So how will we close below it or not? I don't think so. We went all the way down to the 50. We've been holding the 50 for a couple of days now and getting rejected by the 10 moving average. That's why we are now dumping further down. How low down is this gonna go? Hard to tell. We're gonna look at also on the 4-hourly chart and see that we are breaking the 200 moving average down here, going lower. So we're gonna see, let's see what kind of supports do we have. Let's see what kind of supports do do we have beside the moving averages? Okay, so right now the first support should be down here at 30.5, because previously we went down there, we closed there, that should be nice, and the second one should be down here. There is also this one up here that might actually indicate that's what we're holding right now, but I don't think that's gonna hold. That might actually go all the way down here. So those three are important. So let's see how this looks on the daily chart. You can see here there was a lot of trading, especially on this upper one that we are trying to hold now. The lower one is kind of might be holding, and then you got this bottom at 27. So these are some kind of resist, so supports that we might actually hit. 30, then we got 29 and 27. So it's really not important if we're gonna hit them and what's gonna happen. What the important part is it gonna bounce back up? Now you have to ask yourself, is the bull run over? If the bull run is not over, we're gonna bounce back. It all depends on how low Bitcoin wanna push the price, when are people gonna capitulate and stuff like that, you know. I think because everybody's like right now looking at the 43 to 44, 45 price on the Bitcoin, but I think if it goes below even that, like 38, 37, a lot of people are gonna capitulate and then price might move up. So we might have a big dump on our hand. That's one of the options. I'm not gonna say this. What's that gonna mean for Uniswap? I don't think that's gonna mean that. I've been watching Uniswap, but yesterday, the day before that, like when everything was minus 10+%, double digits, Uniswap and few others were like 3-4% down. So Uniswap is doing definitely better than a lot of other coins right now. Definitely better. So I think it's gonna be shielded from a lot of the dump. But that said, if Bitcoin goes down, probably Uniswap will go down. But the weekly chart and the important chart is looking golden. It's looking really nice. You have to see that. It looks really nice. Also, the standard moving average is holding at 29.8. So all in all, I'm very bullish for Uniswap. I know we are going through dump, but everything is going through dump, right? And if you already are going through some kind of consolidation or dump, you wanna everybody else go through that with you. Now we are doing Bitcoin video. We did Bitcoin video a couple of hours ago. We're doing one Bitcoin video every single day, following what Bitcoin is doing, because it affects alt so much. So you gotta know if it's gonna go up or down and what's gonna happen with Bitcoin, right? So we are doing one altcoin video every day, but there is no notifications on that video. You gotta go to our Telegram channel, and our Telegram channel we just post and notify our members. There are like 1,600 members there, so do check that Telegram channel, and you will get notification for that. That said, subscribe to the channel, man. We do all kind of altcoins. We know our stuff with technicals, and you know, if that's your thing, you know, bull run won't last forever. So, and check out the Patreon. We also, if you don't know what to buy, like altcoins and stuff like that, like what's good, what's not, what's going through consolidation, correction, we kind of have like 38 plus alts we rank up and down and stuff like that. So that might be something for you. Do check it out. Thanks guys for watching. See you around. Bye bye.